Hello, fellow aviators, and welcome to the exciting world of Desktop Pilot. My name is Emily Green, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up our fabulous trim wheel in Microsoft Flight Simulator. So get ready. The first step is a moment of connection. Grab the Type B end of your USB cable and plug it into the back of your trim wheel. Next, grab the other end and plug it into your USB hub. Lastly, to check if you're connected, look for the red light at the back indicating the device is on. We're one step closer to reaching the skies. Now it's time to launch Microsoft Flight Simulator and configure our device. Now go to Options. Under Options, select Controls Options. Select your device, which is Trim Wheel. Then, in the Search by Name bar, type Flight Control Surfaces, or change the filter to All and find Flight Control Surfaces. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Control Trimming Surfaces. Scroll down to find Elevator Trim Axis, -100 to 100%. Then scroll down to find Joystick L, Axis X. Click on Validate, and make sure you tick the checkbox for Reverse Axis. It's like flipping the world upside down. Next, scroll down and click Apply and Save, or hit the F11 key to save your changes. Now it's time to check to see if our trim wheel is working properly. Let's load a new flight. Now it's time to locate our trim wheel in our virtual cockpit. Here it is here. Look at it go. The precision, the control. It's a masterpiece in motion. You are now ready to conquer the skies with Desktop Pilot's trim wheel. Now all that's left to do is attach it to the desk. Your trim wheel comes with 2 Velcro sticky tapes and 4 panel nuts. Just remove the white strip, attach it to the bottom of the product, remove the other white strip, and attach it to your desk or cockpit setup. For more thrilling aviation products, visit desktoppilot.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.